Okay, so first we are going to create the new Android Studio project. File, new project. So here you need to select empty activity. Next, so here you can change the application name. I will change it to visiting card. I will change it to visiting card. So here the language is Java. The minimum SDK will be 21. So I will click on the finish. So when you are opening two Android applications at a time, it takes time to load. So already I have opened one application, so it is taking time. So let's wait. Now here it's still loading, so it takes time. So it will going to build a Gradle first. So see here in the bottom, okay, importing Gradle build. Still it's loading. Firstly, we know what we need to do. So we need to create an application by the name, whatever the name we want. So give that particular name, okay, and select an empty activity and click on the finish. So it takes time to build a Gradle and to load all the necessary files. So as soon as you create with the project, by default, it will be importing with the app compact activity, okay, and it extends the app compact activity class. So and on create override method will be there. So basically, the Android, you can develop your Android application with the two languages, that is Kotlin and Java. Whereas if you want to develop an iOS, you need to learn Swift language. And do you guys know? So some of you may know that about Flutter. Like Flutter is a hybrid where you can develop both iOS as well as Android. So make sure that your Android Studio have been installed properly. Otherwise, the root class will show an error. Okay. When you are creating in a project, the minimum API level should be 21. Where you in the Android view, you will be having an app. So within that, there will be three folders: manifest, Java, and resource folder. So in the manifest, you will be having an Android manifest.xml. In the Java folder, you will be having a Java file with a test. Okay, and in the resource folder, drawable layout, map, and values. So now we will see how to create a visiting card application. So whatever you have, you just delete. By default, you will be getting hello world. Just delete on that. So first, what we need to do, we need to have a text view for the title. Okay, so just drag and drop the. So sorry, once again, I will delete this. So before that, go to the code part. Okay, so go to the code part. Then we need to select here relative layout. Okay, make this as relative layout. Okay, so make this as relative layout. So let's go to the design part. So first we will design. We need to have a. So if we are creating a visiting card, first we need to have a company name or whatever the content we want to display. So that is text view. So make a relative to the position, to the layout. Make relative to the layout. So I will extend it. Okay, I will position here. So I will write. So I will make to zoom. Okay, so I will click on here. I will click attributes. Okay, so I will change the name to whatever the company name will be there. You make it where it should be in a capital letter. So where that name should be, I will change the size. text size. I will make it as big, and I will change the alignment to the center. So I will change ALIGN align. If you type whatever the property you want to change. So if you want to change any of the property, okay, you see here there will be an attributes. So if you click on the search, so all the attributes will be there. Okay, so likewise you can change, or you can change it here by adding the content. So you want to change the text alignment. So text alignment I will click. I will make the text alignment to center. So like this you can change, okay, or you can go for the attributes, or you can go for the attributes. You can see here. So I will change the style also, style of the text. I will make the style as so you need to, if you want to change this on this particular text view, click on the text view and go for a search and make a style. So here you will get, you click on it, you will get bold. Okay, see, as soon as you see, if you remove, see here, see in this content, so whatever I will be doing changes in this attribute. So if you click on this, see, it's get added over. So it is in bold. Okay, so I will make an arrangement here. Okay, so I will go for the design part. Okay, so next, so as we see here, we need to add a logo. So if you want to add a logo, you should be having your images, whatever the images you want to add, we should keep with that images. So what we need to do for the image, so I will take some of the images through my system. So I will select this. Okay, I will select, one second guys, I will search for you. So whichever the image you need, uh, you can put over there. So how to put that image into the video? So how you can put those images? Okay, that is the thing. First we need to know. Okay, I will take this. You just select that image, take a copy. Okay, and what you need to do first. Okay, so I will tell you. So you need to copy that image. So go to the resource folder. You in the drawable, right click on the drawable folder. Just click on the paste. So if you click on the paste, it will ask for a choose destination directly. So it will be selected this resource drawable. Click OK. So if you click OK, so whatever the name you want, you can change. Okay, and press and click on the refactor. See, that particular image has been inserted. So better you guys need to choose the PNG images, so it will be good. So if you click on the PNGs, you can use PNG images. Okay, so if you don't want this particular image, you can delete like this. Okay, so I will select one more images. I will make this particular image copy. Okay, and in the drawable folder, right click and take a paste and OK, and just put refactor. Okay, so then I need one more. So preferably you type just use with the JPG files. Sorry, PNG. Okay, I will have selected this particular logo. So after doing this, what you need to do, you need to insert image view. Okay, you need to have image view here. You need to put the image view. So I will drag and drop with the image view. So as soon as you drag and drop with the image view, it will ask for which logo you want to select, which drawable image you want to select. It will be having a list of some of the defaults uh, drawables or whatever the thing you have been added. So now I have been added BGSIT logo. I will select OK. So it gets added. So after it is just make a relative to the layout. Okay. So and then as soon as you make the image view relative, so wherever you want, just keep the image. Okay. So next, so what we need to do? Okay. So you need to have a line. So in Android, okay, there is no horizontal or vertical lines will be there. So what we need to do? So if you want to add a line after this, so you need to have a linear line. So go to the layouts. So we need vertical line, not a horizontal line. So just drag and drop the vertical line. Okay. So it will be there. You just make a relative to the relative layout. Bring over. So, so it is occupied to the full screen, right? It is occupied to the full screen. So what we need to do, right? So go to the split. So select on the linear layout. So what you need to do here means you just change the height of the layout height. I will make it as 6 dp. Okay, so I will make it as 6 dp and I will make it relative. See here, as you can see, make this relative, and I will draw again line over here. Okay, so if you want to change the background color, so then go here and click here and background color. So if you want red, give it red. Or you can select over here. See, or you can, it has been changed. So I have done with adding the alt on to that. So next I need to give my name. So for that, what we need to do? Okay. So if you want to add a name, we need to have a text view. Okay, text view. Make relative to the layer. Okay. So wherever it is required, drag and drop and resize it. Okay. So what I need to do, I need to change with the attribute. Okay. So change with the text first. I will write change with the name, and I will change with the size. Okay. I will change with the style. Okay. And I will change with the text alignment. I will change the text alignment over here. I will make it to the center. Okay. So now, next, what we need to add? We need to add job title, phone number, and then address. Again, take a text view. Okay. Make relative to the layout. Okay. So dragging. So put the text view wherever it is required. Okay. Just go to the attributes. Then you need to change the text of the particular attribute here and change. So what we need to do, we need to give job title. Okay. So then I will change the text size. Whatever the text size is required, you can change over it. I will make the style. Let it be normal only. Okay. So I will make it to align it to the center. These are all the attributes you are going to change. See. So position it wherever it is required. Okay. So next, after job title, we need to add a phone number. I will drag and drop a text view. So make make that particular text view to the relative to the layout. So drag and drop. So wherever it is required, place over the text view. So I will align the text to the center, and I will change the text, that piece. Okay, I will give the phone number. Then I need to give the address. So for that, I need to have one more text view. So if you add a text view, again you need to make that particular text view relative to the layout. So then position the text view wherever it is required and resize it as per the requirement. Okay, so I will change the text to, so I will give the address. I will align the text to center, text alignment, center. Okay, I will make the size of the text view to 18. So I will make all this as 18. Okay. So next I need to add phone number, address, and email ID. Again, I will take a text view. Okay, I will drag and drop here. So drag and drop the text view wherever it is required, and align the text view as per the requirement. I will make the size to 18, and I will align the text view to center, and I will change the text to email. Email. Yeah. See, if you see, this is a visiting card application. So if I run this application, so let's see how. So I will run on a device. I will run the application on my device. See here, it will show whatever the device I have been connected. So click on the run. So when you are running your application for the first time, so it needs to build a Gradle for the particular app, and it takes time. So I shared my device. So still the application is building the Gradle. So running Gradle build is running. Now Android Studio. Still the Android Studio is running. So if you have the configuration is low, it takes some time to build the title. So now the application is going to install. So as soon as installation completes, the application will launch. So this is the application as we are seeing. So this is how it gets run when you complete with the application. Okay. So this is about your application. Okay. Thank you.